Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back. It's your lecture number 3 on the same topic, chapter number 1, sources of food. In previous two lectures, we discussed about what is food, we discussed about different ways of driving nutrients, we discussed about producer, consumer, decomposer, parasites, and different kinds of consumers. Those are herbivores, carnivores, omnivores. Then we discuss plant as a sources of food and food for plants. Now in this lecture we're going to discuss about animals as a sources of food. Animals are both direct as well as indirect sources of food. We get meat from animals. The flesh of some animals is eaten as a food. Poultry, birds, cattle, sheep, and goats provide meat. Some sea creatures such as shrimps, prawns, and shellfishes also provide meat. These species are the rich source of animals' protein. We get milk from the animals as well. Food products produced by animals include milk, which is produced by mammals such as sheep, camels, goats, cows, and buffalo. It is drunk or processed into dairy products such as cheese or butter. These are the rich food source of calcium and protein. The third thing we get from animals is egg. Birds and other animals lay eggs which are often eaten. Eggs are rich in nutrients such as proteins and vitamins. Honey. Bees collect nectar from flowers and make honey from it. They store the honey in their hives. Human beings collect honey from beehives. It's a rich source of carbohydrates like sucrose, glucose, lactose, water, and minerals. Pakistani food. Food is an important part of Pakistani culture, playing a role in everyday life as well as in festivals. The staples of Pakistani food are rice, wheat flour, and variety of pulses. Meat plays a much more dominant role in Pakistani food compared to the other South Asian cuisines. Pakistani dishes are known for having aroma and sometimes spicy flavors. Pakistani food is very popular all over the world. These are the some points I have written about Pakistani food, but you are going to get a very detailed note on page number 9 of your book. You are requested to read Animal as a Sources of Food and Pakistani Food from the book and solve exercise A, B, C, which is given on page number 11 and 12 of your book. Make it sure that you have to do these three exercises on your books with lead pencil. Tomorrow I'm going to tell you about the answers of questions of section D and E. Then you will going to do it on your notebooks. Take care, Allah Hafiz.